The Drake men's tennis team secured its fifth straight Missouri Valley Conference regular season championship with a 5-2 road win over Southern Illinois on Saturday. The Bulldogs have earned the top seed in the 2015 MVC Men's Tennis Championship and will begin their bracket play starting at 10 a.m. on Saturday, April 18. Action will begin on Friday, April 17 with the quarterfinal round in St. Louis, Missouri. Missouri State baseball has now won 7 games in a row, earning a 3-game sweep at Evansville over the weekend. The Bears are now sporting an 8-game road winning streak and now sit at 7-2 in league play and 24-8 overall. Also in baseball conference action, Dallas Baptist won 2 of 3 at home versus Bradley, Southern Illinois won 2 of 3 at Indiana State, and Illinois State completed a 3-game sweep at Wichita State. Drake softball improved to 24-12 overall and 13-2 in league play as the Bulldogs completed their third MVC series sweep of 2015, collecting 3 wins at Southern Illinois over the weekend. Missouri State has now won 7 straight games as the Bears earned a sweep at home over Loyola. The weekend was special in Springfield as Allie Alvstad was honored with the MVC's Most Courageous Award, recognizing her courage in the face of her personal illness.